Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing nodes at k distance from root. First, let us take an example. If k is 3, we print all nodes of level 3 which are 5, 15, 25 and 40. Now, let us have a look at the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. Note that we will be using a queue data structure. Let's assume that we have to print nodes at 2 distance from root. So, we pass 2 to k level and 3 to root. Also, we take a level variable and initialize it to 1. Along with that, we take a flag variable and initialize it to false. We push the root node which is 3 into the queue and an extra null to keep track of levels. Since queue is not empty, we enter the while loop and make temp point to queue's front. So, node temp will point to 3. We check if level is equal to k level. As it is false, we pop element from the queue. Hence, 3 will be popped. We check if temp is pointing to null. As it is false, we go to the else part and enqueue the left and right children of temp. So, 2 and 5 will be enqueued. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now, temp will point to null. Again, as level is not equal to k level, we pop the front element from the queue. Now, as temp is pointing to null, the if condition is satisfied. We check if front of queue exists. As it is true, we add null to the queue to mark the end of level. Next, we increment level by 1, so level will be now 2. We check if level is greater than k level. As it is false, we continue with the while loop and temp will now point to 2. Now, as level is equal to k level and temp is not null, we set flag to true and print temp's data. Next, we pop 2 from the queue. Since temp is not null, we go to the else part and push the left and right children of temp. Hence, 1 and 4 will be enqueued. We continue with the while loop and now temp will point to 5. As level is equal to k level, we print temp. Hence, 5 will be printed. Next, we pop 5 from the queue. As temp is not null and left and right children of temp does not exist, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. Temp will now point to null. As level is equal to k but temp is null, the if condition is not satisfied and we pop null from the queue. Since temp is null, the second if is satisfied and we add null in the queue and increment level. Now, as level is greater than k level, we break out of the while loop and return true. With this, we finish execution for this program. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.